Hello students, in this session we are going to study the second lab program for web technology. We'll go and check problem definition for our second lab program. The problem definition says, write HTML code to demonstrate ordered and unordered lists. The code is written main thing you have to remember, not necessary you have to use the same, you need to by heart, okay, you need not write same Samsung HTC. We have just said you need to demonstrate the working of ordered and unordered, how the output is. The contents may change provided the concept should remain. So we'll go start working on check how to. As usual, we have to open that edge title list. Okay, body. We'll do one thing. The HTML the element head title we have given it as title of the web. Yeah. The first thing, what do I observe in the output is while operating system. Now, when you observe the output, you will also understand that it is written in bold. I need the tag. While then after this, just watch at the tell me when you observe the output, what can you see? What kind of list is this? Is it an ordered list or unordered list? Obviously, it is an unordered list because there is no sequential value attached to the list item. The list item marker is but bullets over. By looking at the bullets, we will understand that it is an unordered. That is why I have to use the tag UL, right? Because it is an ordered list. Now, if I want to specify the item, show you all values for. Okay, so list dual type is equal to circle. This dual stands for unordered and type is this item list, right? That is why I've written. Next thing comes are my list items. How many items are there in my list? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items in my. What are they? Yes. I is going to list out all the items. Back. Then all my I have listed all 4 items. My ends the tag of the type all 5. Okay, otherwise You see this mobile operating system and unordered list. What is my list item marker? It is, I have specified it as circle. What are the different values apart from circle? You can give it as disk. Circle, it was not filled. I use disk, it is the solid filled. The bullet. Another type option I have over here is square. The list items are going to remain same. Only the list item marker is changed. Depending on the value you give over here, type is. Three values are possible for unordered list: circle, disk, and what if you don't specify anything? Check the default value. I don't specify. I just write it as going to be circle or disk. We have finished the first part of the program, which says unordered. The other part of the problem definition says ordered list. So when we are talking about ordered list, the most important thing we have to remember is that a sequential value as an item marker attached to the list item. Can you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, there is a sequential value. Whenever you find sequential values attached to items, you have to immediately understand that it is an ordered list. We'll start. Diagram going to this. Start with these. List items I have 4. Item is max. Fourth list item is how many items I have? 4 items in my list, an ordered list. Okay. Look, I have not specified the type over. Check the default value. By default, it is going to be sequential number starting from so you have seen by default it is going to be sequential value starting from. Now what if I want it to start from lowercase a or uppercase a, or maybe I want to start it from Roman numbers? All those possibilities are taken care of. Previously we were seeing starting with 1. Now I will change it to case. Do you find list is being marked? Item markers are uppercase letters. If I don't want this uppercase, I can even use lowercase. You can observe from uppercase it is changed to. The most important thing to remember in case of ordered list is the order of the list items is very important. Okay. The type 2 uppercase Roman. I don't want uppercase. You observe. One more possibility is that can we nest ordered list and unordered list? Is it possible? Is it possible? We can. Here, using this Did you observe? Did you observe? It now become the part of the nested. All about your second work, ordered and unordered. Continue your term work. Thank you, students.